Hi everyone, let's take our seats and get ready for the lesson. Hi Mary Beth, how are you today? Oh, I'm so glad. Okay. Every person in our school has a name. You have a name and I have a name. Even our numbers can have special names. Today we are going to learn two new names for two parts of a fraction. So today we will learn about the parts of a fraction. What are we going to learn today?
About the parts of a fraction.
Excellent, that's right. Learning fractions will help you understand how wholes are broken up into parts. Like a whole pie, you cut a piece of the pie and that's a part of the pie. Alright, let's look at this problem. This is a fraction, 3/4. Now, to identify the numerator and the denominator, the first thing I do is look at the top number. What is the first thing I do?
Look at the top number.
Exactly, good answer. The top number is called the numerator. What is the top number called?
The numerator.
Very good. Now, for the second step, we are going to write an N by the top number, which is called a what?
A numerator.
That's right. Very good. So I write an N by the top number. Now, the next thing I do is find the bottom number. That's step 3. I find the bottom number. What do I do next?
I find the bottom number.
Yeah.
Find the bottom number.
That's right. We find the bottom number. The bottom number is 4. And so the next thing I will do is write a D next to the 4 because the 4 is the denominator. What is the next thing I will do?
You write a D.
That's right. I write a D next to the bottom number because the bottom number is the denominator. What is the bottom number?
The denominator.
Very good. So I will write a D next to the bottom number because it's the
Denominator.
excellent. So, okay, let's try another problem. Okay? Okay, let's try another example. Alright. What do we need to do first, Mary Beth?
Look at the top number.
Excellent. Good answer. We look at the top number. Show me, Mary Beth, how we look at the top number. Oh, well done. What do we do next, everyone?
Write an N by the top number.
Very good. We write an N by the top number. And what is our top number?
A 4.
So 4 is the
Numerator.
numerator. Very good. Thank you for such good answers. Okay, what is the next step?
Look at the bottom number.
Look at the bottom number. Very nice. So we look at the bottom number, and then what is the next step?
Write a D by the bottom number.
Write a D by the bottom number. That is right. So we will write a D by the bottom number. The D stands for what, everyone?
Denominator.
Denominator. Excellent. That is a long word. Very good. All right. Let us try another example. 3/8. All right. Mary Beth, what is the first step to finding the numerator?
Look at the top number.
Look at the top top number. That is right. And then after we look at the top number, what do we do next?
Write an n.
We write an n. Very good. What do we do next, Mary Beth?
Look at the bottom number.
Look at the bottom number. You got it. And what am I going to do with this bottom number?
We'll write a D.
I will write a D. Very good. All right. I am going to now have you come up here and do a problem. Okay? But I will be right here to help you through it. Okay? So let's do this one. 1, 4. Okay. Mary Beth, will you come up here and show us the first step?
That's the first step.
Excellent looking. Great job. Now, what is the second step?
Write an n.
That's right. Very nice. And the third step is what? To look at what?
The bottom number.
To look at the bottom number. Very good. Then, now show me the fourth step. Very nice. You are doing so well. All right, everyone, Mary Beth, we are ready to do some independent practice. Okay? So I have a worksheet for you, and we are going to do the first one together, and then I will have you spend the rest of class time finishing the worksheet. Okay?
Okay.
So the first problem is 1/4. And tell me again, what are we going to do with these two numbers?
We write an n by the top one
That's right.
and a d by the bottom one.
Very good. You have it. You wrote an n by the top number because it's the numerator, and you wrote a d next to the bottom number because it's the denominator. Very good. Now do the next couple, and we will look at your answers. Excellent work, Mary Beth. You have done such a good job today. Thank you for paying attention, looking at the problem, and for having listening ears. And now, before we go out to recess, I want to review what we learned today, okay? Today we learned how to identify the two parts of a fraction, the numerator and the denominator. I was really impressed by how well you followed directions and paid attention. Thank you, Mary Beth. Tomorrow we will learn how to find the least common denominator. So, great work, and go have fun at recess.